Welcome back to the Autoverse, where we bring you the latest insights into the world of cars. Today, we're excited to dive into the reinvented classic, the 2025 Citroen 2CV, with this new release. The 2025 Citroen 2CV captures the charm of the original with a design that balances nostalgia with modern practicality. Its exterior is unmistakably reminiscent of the classic 2CV, showcasing rounded edges, signature headlamps, and a distinctive front grille that pays homage to its roots. Yet the new model is fully updated with a fresh aerodynamic design, including LED headlights, compact proportions, and lightweight materials that improve efficiency and performance. The new Citroen 2CV is powered by an electric motor that is both eco-friendly and ideal for city commuting. The electric engine delivers a surprising amount of torque and smooth acceleration, ensuring that urban and suburban driving are not only efficient but enjoyable. With a single charge range of up to 200 miles, the 2CV is perfect for everyday use and supports fast charging capabilities for added convenience. Citroën has focused on creating an environmentally friendly and cost-effective vehicle, offering a glimpse into the future of sustainable driving without sacrificing the personality of the original 2V. Inside, the 2025 Citroen 2CV combines simplicity with a modern twist. The interior is designed to be minimalist yet functional, echoing the classic model's straightforward charm. The dashboard is equipped with an intuitive digital display featuring all essential information like battery levels, speed, and navigation. Citroën has prioritized ease of use with controls that are easy to access and operate, enhancing the overall driving experience. The 2CV's cabin is surprisingly spacious, offering comfortable seating. Safety and technology are at the forefront of Citroën's update to this beloved classic. The new 2CV comes equipped with advanced safety features such as lane keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking, which make it a solid choice for urban roads. Its compact size is ideal for tight spaces, and its high visibility design makes it easy to maneuver. The 2025 Citroen 2CV is a unique blend of vintage style and modern functionality, offering an eco-friendly, affordable, and charming ride that is sure to appeal to those who love the original but are ready for a fresh take. This car isn't just a tribute. It's a reimagining that balances tradition with innovation, making it perfect for a new generation of drivers who value both sustainability and design. Thanks for tuning in to the Autoverse for this exclusive look at the 2025 Citroen 2V. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming reviews, and stay with us for more deep dives into today's most exciting automotive releases.